To flash Google Pixel 8, pause the video and get your Pixel ready, as we're going to do a key combination, and I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up, and keep these two held down until I release the buttons. This is about around 10 seconds or so, so give this a couple more seconds. Now release power and volume up, and press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down until you see the fast boot mode. I want to cut this as it takes around 20 seconds. In fast boot mode, release from both buttons. Now click volume up until you see recovery mode, then click the power button to select. It will now show us a no command screen. So the command is long press power button and then click and release volume up. In this screen, click volume down until you see wipe data and click the power button to select. Then click volume down and click the power button to factory data reset. When you do this, you'll be brought to the previous screen. Click power button to reboot system and it will flash the phone storage.